SnoreRx Stop Snoring mouthpiece. This is my exact one. There's the imprint of my teeth in the top, and turn it over and that's my bottom teeth. Well and truly held softly but firmly in place as I insert this in my mouth. So that's the front of the mouthpiece, and what I'm going to point out to you now is the rather large air holes that you can see here. Now, while SnoreRx doesn't allow you to open your mouth while you're using, it does allow you to breathe quite easily through these extensive air holes, and I'll show you those again when I turn the mouthpiece around the other side. What we have here in the dark blue is the calibrator, and it can be adjusted from 1 to 10 millimeters in 1 millimeter increments, and what that does is it adjusts this lower jaw here forward. Now what I'll do is I'll also show you that calibration in effect at roughly 5, just to give you an idea of how far it advances the lower jaw forward. And here we have the rear shot, and of course we would place it in the mouth as we come closer to the camera like that, and we have the holes again right here going right through the mouthpiece. You can easily see that, and very easy to breathe using this mouthpiece, even though you've got to close your mouth to use it. The calibrator is on both sides, as you can see. What we're demonstrating here is the calibrator in action, and you can see here it can be moved forward by 1 millimeter increments from 1 to 10. We've got our set at 5 for the moment. Effectively, it moves the bottom plate and your lower jaw forward. This is the front of the mouth here, the rear of the mouth and throat, and by moving the lower jaw forward it opens up the rear air passage, and it also brings the tongue forward, which also assists to free up that restriction at the back in the air passage. And as you can see here, this is the realignment. It's only minor, it's only at 5, and you can see by using this wooden skewer just how offline it is. It doesn't need to be much. That small movement forward is all that it takes to open up the air passages in the rear of the throat, bring the jaw forward, the tongue forward, and allow you to breathe quite easily through these very large holes